Hey beauties, and welcome back to I Am Beautiful Hustler TV. We are back with another sponsored video, and today's hair is provided by Unice Hair. Now they sent me over this beautiful pink box, and y'all know pink is my favorite color. And inside of the packaging you got the little press-on nails. You get your HD cap, a strap band. And today this is a pre-everything wig, pre-bleached, pre-cut. And this is the 7x5 bye-bye knots wig, okay, ready to go, ready to install. And it is a 24-inch curly wig, you guys, and it is 180% density. So all I have to do is just take the wig out the box and put it in. Now if you want to wear this wig glueless, you can just make sure you tighten the scrap in the inside if it fits your hairline. But for me, this wig did not fit my hairline, so I'm gonna have to finesse it to fit. But nevertheless, it's not a big deal. I'm just gonna go ahead and do what I do. But this is what the wig looks like, fresh on my head, nice and full, 180% density. It does have like the invisible grip in the back, but because the wig didn't fit me perfectly, I am not able to pull it up how I want to, because it doesn't go all the way down in the back for me. But if you were someone with a smaller head, it will fit you more perfectly. But let's get into the glue, honey. The restock is happening in November, so I hope you guys get ready and get excited, because we're about to drop and be back in stock. And of course, I am using the Beautiful Hustler Lace Mid Adhesive, okay, aka the BH Slay. So y'all make sure y'all turn on y'all notifications and stay tuned, because we are doing our restock in November. So y'all get ready. I'm so excited. I know it's been a long time coming. Y'all been on my tail, but we finna be back and we finna be better. And that's just on period, okay? So for this 7x5 closure, I'm just gonna do 2 layers of my adhesive. So I went ahead and added my first layer, and once that was clear, I'm adding in my second layer. And like I mentioned, y'all, because the wig does not fit my natural hairline, I am gonna have to place my wig where it's gonna look like it's very low. But I am gonna go back in and pre-cut that lace and re-customize the wig to fit me perfectly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, all the description details on where to buy this wig from Unice Hair will be listed in the description box. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and y'all stay tuned. It's about to get real. So after laying down that lace and tying it down with the melt band, I'm going to go ahead and remove it. And I'm going to create me like a little small widow's peak with this install. So I'm going to kind of like angle the wig out in a certain way, like the way that I crop it out. I'm going to create like little curved partings, because I'm going to razor it off in like a curved motion. So like I mentioned, y'all, I do have to re-customize this hairline to fit me. So now I'm razoring it off like in a C motion. That's going to create me like a little small widow's peak type of look. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And I know it looks like crazy right now, but don't worry, we are going to go in and re-pluck that hairline out as well. So just a small widow's peak. I created like a little V, and I'm just taking my hot comb, pressing it out, getting it super straight, and then we're gonna go in and tack it down, and then of course pluck it out as well. So because I am plucking it on my head, I'm just going to hold the edge of the wig with my fingertips and just pull those hairs right on out, going straight back in the motion until the hairline thins out and it looks nice and natural. Plucking on the head could be, actually, I think it's a really good idea. I don't know. I think I might start doing it like that. Like sometimes, I know like as hairstylists, we like to pluck beforehand. But realistically speaking, everybody's hairline is not the same. So I don't know. I might start plucking while it's on the head. That way you could customize it to each person's hairline exactly. But just something I'm thinking about. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, nonetheless, I'm just going to pluck it out to make it natural all over again and just hot comb it. Make sure it's super flat and super neat. So now that I'm done plucking, I just created my section for my baby hair and do everything in a C curve motion as far as parting it out. And it will also help with the widow's peak kind of look. And then I'm just going to go in with my tweezers and pluck some of those hairs up before I plait it up. And I repeat the same exact steps to the other side.
The sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far.
Sunrise and those brown eyes, yes, you're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star.
And now I'm just going to make sure everything is super flat and super neat. And I'm just going to go in with the Ruby Kisses, tap it across the lace once again with a more like fluffier brush, like a smaller brush. I'm going to go in or whatever. And then I'm going to spray it down, of course. And then, you know, spray it and then tie it down. Let that sit, let that marinate for a few minutes as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove that band, and I'm just touching up my contour because I kind of like removed some off my forehead and I don't want the color separation from the contour and my lace. So I'm just kind of like touching that up real quick. Much better, because I was definitely giving no foundation in that spot. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and comb out the baby hair section with the holding spray to soften it back up. Then I'm gonna razor it down, you know, curl it and swoop it. Very simple. I did more like big baby hairs today because I did want to go for like a dramatic, slightly widow's peak look. And of course, I'm going to use some holding spray to, you know, set my baby hairs into place. So just using a little got to be, spraying it on the brush and swooping my baby hairs down. So now that the baby hairs is done, I really liked how my hair looked when I pushed it back. So I was like, you know what, let me do two like little ponytails to give like a cute little Bratz doll look. And I'm going to add like some pink butterflies. I just wanted to give Bratz doll. Y'all know I love me some curly hair. Curly hair is my go-to. And then on top of that, I like my hair big and fluffy. So I was like, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and keep it pushed back. And also, it's another way to give off a frontal look without having a frontal. Because if you did forget, this is only a 7x5 closure and it is giving frontal vibes. So I just kind of like used the got to be, you know, fluffed it out, and I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna be cute or whatever. It's gonna give very much Bratz doll. So now I'm going in with some more got to be and just repeating the same steps of the other side. I did leave some hair down, you know, to cover the tracks up or whatever, and I just kind of like blended my baby hairs into the rest of the wig so it can give like a nice seamless blend going in. So once I finish securing this, adding my butterflies, I'm going to conceal up and black spray my part. And we're going to get into the finished look. So y'all stay tuned.
This one I got to with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did jabata. That cover my face, calling me that bata. Biggie man,
So now I'm just gonna, reconceal the part up just to make sure it's super neat, and just adding extra butterfly. I wanted to do 2 butterflies on each side. So I did like a dark pink, light pink kind of thing or whatever, and just trying to adjust my butterflies to be cute. I originally wanted to do some what you call them, bobby pins, y'all, but I couldn't find like the color that I wanted, so I just used the butterflies instead to just give very girl la la. So once I get those butterflies positioned, I will show you guys the full 360 finishing look. Okay, this hair is super pretty. I love me. First of all, I love me a closure wig, very convenient, and the fact that this is a 7x5, I love it even more. So yeah, let's get into it. And this is the finishing look. The hair is super full, super pretty, 180 density, giving very cutesy, very Bratz doll, very Barbie. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, this is from Unice Hair. Description details down below on where you can purchase it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Bye.